This is the year content creation actually pays me. Now, this is my manifestation for 2026. And if you resonate with this message, please subscribe, leave a lovely comment, and let's get right into the video. So, hello guys, welcome to 2026, and it's still your girl Vivian Ebony back with another video. So, here is a simple reintroduction. Allow me to reintroduce myself. This 2026, I'm dedicating it to finance, to wealth, to building generational wealth. I mean, how young can I get? I've been away from YouTube for a couple of months now because of the niche down effect. That struck me really hard. And what I mean by niche down effect is I used to post just natural hair tutorials on this channel. If you go back to my previous videos, you will see I made a lot of natural hair videos back then. But this time around, that is not the only thing I have to offer. I am more than just my hair. I have so many creativity, so much I can offer. And this is me saying, please, 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 allow me reintroduce myself to you guys. Hello, my name is Vivian Ebony, and if this is your first time seeing my face, you're welcome to my space. This is going to be a very safe community for all things girly, growing, vlogs, lifestyle, beauty, fitness, wellness, everything relatable. I got you. I am trying to make a living off YouTube, and I will not be the first person to do this, neither will I be the last. 2026 was really an eye-opening year for me. It made me realize and see potentials that could be mine if I really wanted. And this 2026, I am locking in. I am really going to make the most of this opportunity. So this is me encouraging you girls out there. Let me be your motivation. If I can do it, overcoming social anxiety, you can do it as well. I mean, who doesn't want to level up? Who doesn't want to build their wallet? Who doesn't want to make money? I do. I want to make money. I see all these YouTube success stories from people who have made it over the years, posting consecutively on YouTube and being consistent with it. I mean, it's enough reason for me to do so as well. So here I am bringing to you elegance, beauty, lifestyle content, vlogs, name it. I'm also a crochet artist. If you guys noticed, I have a channel where I do crochet. So I have so many things you will love, and I can't wait to express myself more. So if this is the kind of content you love or resonate with, please don't forget to like and share. So if you want to join this, figuring it out and doing it one step or one video at a time, creating memories that I'll look forward to and say, thank God I made the bold step. Well, join me and you won't regret knowing me. Well, if this is your first time seeing my face, hi, I hope you're enjoying my video. And if you've gotten this far to this video, take an attendance. So without much further ado, this is going to be a very short video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my other videos to come. So till then, bye.